Options area changes its content depending on what objects are selected right now. For example, right now there is no any objects that I selected, so I see this menu. I can do something with the whole file, to duplicate, rename, delete it, or to do whatever I want. This shows a project where my file is located. But when I select something, it will change. For example, I select text. You see there are some tools available over here. And if I select this image, you see it changed a little. If I select this shape, it's another one. If I select this frame, it changes as well. So you can use this menu, this option panel for quick access to some tools, for example, to create component.